Hey, welcome to the Daily Dose. Let's dig into it. So, what do you need to know about AI in today's business world and ecosystem? Here's all you need to know. You better start using it, right? Because your competitor's using it and they're getting ahead of you. Hold on a second. We got a little, and we're gonna let the fire truck go by. And that was a fire truck. Anyway, so what we want to make sure we do is use AI to the best of its ability for our business. If you don't know how to use it, for shit's sake, find somebody that can teach you how to use it. Hell, I couldn't use it just not that long ago. But I found people to teach me how to use AI, and you got to use it in your business. Don't fight it, use it. See you on tomorrow's dose. I hope you found this video useful. Follow me right here on YouTube for more great content daily. Download my international best-selling book, Be Good, Be Brief, Be Gone, for absolutely free at growfast.club. I say again, download my book at growfast.club for all of my 7-figure growth hacks. Get your copy now while it's still free.
Magnum! Holy moly!
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for!
Dear God, it's beautiful.